Hi guys, welcome to my channel Jananita Adda. In this video, I am going to discuss about the CSC syllabus for Hindustan Aeronautical Limited for the post of management training and design trainee, where the total number of posts are 100. So I have already discussed about the syllabus and preparation strategy for ECE students and EEE students, those which the link of the video is available in the description. So in this video we are mostly discussing about the CSC syllabus, preparation strategy and important topics for the preparation of HAL 2021 for the post of design trainee and the management trainee. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the total exam pattern is divided into the 2.5 hours of exam. So duration of exam is 2.5 hours, where we can, it's 150 minutes. So the total, the sections are division of section paper, question paper into general awareness and English and reasoning and engineering discipline related questions. So where I am focusing on the engineering discipline, here is the CSC. So these engineering general awareness and English reasoning will be common for all branches like civil, mechanical, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, IT engineering and legal. So if we go for the general studies, we have to focus on the last 5 months of current affairs, the last 5 months of current affairs on international, national issues on education, technology, health, economy, etc. So these are the main areas of our focus where the paper, the hall may expect the question, may give questions for general awareness. So don't prepare for the general awareness in the month of March and February, because the paper has already set. So they won't ask any questions from January current affairs and February current affairs and March current affairs. So mostly focus on up to February. And if you go for English, I already discussed about the English and reasoning preparation in the last video of my ECE and EEE syllabus and preparation strategy video. Once again I am going to discuss here also antonyms, synonyms, sentence improvement, and arrangements, sentence arrangements, error spotting, idioms, articles, one word substitution. Here for general awareness we will be having 20 questions and each question will be having 1 mark. The total question answer marks will be 20. And in English reasoning we will be getting 40 questions and 40 marks. There is no negative marks. No negative marks for Hindustan Aeronautical Limited, which is an added advantage for many of the students. And also you have to the discipline related questions will be total 100, so on total 100 mark. So overall we have to solve 160 questions in a 150 minutes. For each question it may take less than 1 minute. So you can expect the level of the question they will be asking. So you have to read the question, you have to understand the question, you have to tick the correct answer within a less than 1 minute. So you may expect the most of the question, and maybe 80% of the question will be a medium level questions, and also the 20% of the questions will be in the next level questions. So which will be make a correct examination question paper. So if we and also it is about English reasoning, and if we go for reasoning, aptitude, directions, relationships, directions, relationships, and we can also expect the questions on alphabetical series, alphabetical and number series. So these are the most expected areas where we can cover, crack, or we can expect more number of marks from these related areas of English and reasoning section. So where we can expect at least we can crack the out of 40 we can get 30 marks if we follow a perfect strategy. Let's discuss about the engineering discipline important subjects for CSA. For saving time, I have noted all the important topics for the computer science with the preparation for all recruitment for 2020 for the both management trainee and design trainee. So let's discuss each and one topic. So DBMS, database management system, where you have to focus on deadlock management and the firing query. And in the digital system, digital logic design, you have to focus on the number system and the number system conversion from binary to octal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion, hexadecimal to binary conversion, where the involvement of fractions and all, and then you have to focus on the working of the gates and designing of the logic gates, and you have to able to differentiate what is a universal gate and what is the basic gates. You have to able to distinguish that between the logic gates. And the data file structure subject, from the data file subject is mostly related to the C++, the stack. You have to know the working principle of stack and the queue, a linked list, tree. You have to know the difference between each and everything, the difference between the stack and queue and the linked list, the applications of linked list and the tree and graphs and their working. You have to be good at. So mostly you have to be good at the semantics and the working principle and the advantages, because it is the exam where each question carries less than 1 minute. So you have to solve each and every question in less than 1 minute. So that you have to focus mostly on the conceptual the part of the subject, where not focusing toward the calculations and the hardcore implementation of the question. And in the OS nothing but operating system, where you have to focus what is thread, what is the functionality of the thread, how a thread is working, and memory management and the deadlock problem and the security related issues for regarding the OS. And you have to be good at the languages C and C++ and the Java and their applications and each and everything about the C and C++, Java, .NET and SQL. And the next, if we go for the computer networks, should be able to know the differences of different topologies, and you have to be good at the different layers, OSI model and TCP/IP model, and each layer working and its real-time applications. And you would be good at computer graphics and information security. So these are the total from 8 topics we can expect. So total number of questions will be 100 and the total number of marks will be 100 marks. There is no negative marks. So you have, there is no cutoff for section. There is no sectional cutoff for that for general awareness and also for English and reasoning and discipline related. So overall the total number of questions will be 160. Each question carries 1 mark, so the total questions will be, the marks will be 160. So to qualify for the next level of interview, so at least you have to get 100 marks. So let's make our target to reach at least 100 marks in overall sections, where we are strong enough in dealing with discipline related and English and reasoning part. So I am expecting that you should focus, you should get at least 40 marks out of 60 marks. Out of 60 comes from general awareness and English and reasoning, and out of 100 marks, at least try to focus to get a 60%. The 60%, when you are able to get a 60%, so even if they involve a sectional cutoff also, you are out of the boundary. So you easily can crack when you get the the 60% of marks is a discipline related area, then you can easily crack the interviews. So interview will be discussing about the preparation, important, even the important topics and the previously asked questions from the each and every topic. So to support me, please subscribe to Jananita Adda channel and share this video to all your friends. And thanks for watching this video. If you feel any doubt related to the HAL preparation strategy, so please comment in the comment box so that I can reply you, and I will arrange any number of videos to clear your doubts. And thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay happy, and prepare well. Till then,